Next question. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that triangle ABC by triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. Okay, here we are talking about two triangles. They are triangle ABC and triangle DBC. This is triangle ABC. This is triangle DBC. First, what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC. Okay, what is the general form of triangle area? Of into base into height. Okay, here base is BC. Okay, two triangles on the same base. Okay, base is BC. Height, here we don't have height, so let's draw one perpendicular on BC. Okay, this is one perpendicular on BC from A. This point is E. Okay, height is AE. Here construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay. Next, area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle DBC equal to of into base into height. Of into base is BC. Same base. BC. Height. We don't have height. So draw one perpendicular on base. This is one perpendicular. So next, construction. Draw DF perpendicular to BC. Okay, here construction is draw one perpendicular AC on BC. Next, DF is one perpendicular on BC. Okay, here height is DF. Okay, here we have to show that triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. Okay, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, 1 by 2 equal to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to of into area of triangle ABC equal to of into base into BC into AE. Area of triangle DBC equal to of into BC into DF. Okay, of get cancel. BC get cancel. Here we have AE by DF. But here we have to show that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. AO by DO. Which triangles have sides AO and DO? They are triangle AEO and triangle DFO. Okay, these two triangles have sides AO and DO. See, triangle AEO. This is triangle AEO and triangle DFO. Okay, consider these two triangles. Here this is A is perpendicular. So angle E, AEO equal to 90 degrees and angle DFO equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here DF is one perpendicular. Okay, suppose this angle equal to 1, this is 2. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2, each 90 degrees. Next, see these two lines are intersecting lines, so vertically opposite angles are equal. This is angle 3, this is angle 4. Here angle 3 equal to angle 4. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Angle 3 is nothing but AOE. Angle AOE, and angle 4 is angle COD. Sorry, angle FOD. Okay. Here using angle similarity criteria, triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO. Okay, here these two triangles are similar. Then corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, if two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides AE by DF equal to AO by DO. AO by DO equal to EO by FO. Okay, here we have to prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. Here we get AE by DF. Okay, instead of AE by DF we write AO by DO. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. This is equation 3. From equation 3, AE by DF we write AO by DO. Okay, here AE by DF equal to AO by DO. Okay, hence proved.